Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Dramatic. I am super excited today. It is 2:50 AM and I just woke up after sleeping for 2.5 hours. We are going to New South Wales and I'm here to take you with me through my journey, so come along. So this is the outfit and I'm just gonna make my hair a bit and then we will be set to go. I'm getting very late. I've done my skincare, I've done my lipstick. My only hair is left, so let's go. We time travel. We are in New South Wales right now. 1 hour updated, okay? And now we are taking our first break. So hot chocolate ले लिया है, बाकी सबने coffee, latte वगैरह लिया है. And now we are going on for a journey. Dorothy's के साथ. Bye. हमें खाना. तो यार दे दो ना ये लोग. Cheers. Second halt for petrol. Now moving on. Prabhu ji. So we are at Byron Bay and it's very beautiful here. And we are here. This place is literally so beautiful. Like my outfit is not good for it, but still it's very beautiful. Houses. This is Byron Bay and it has a lighthouse over here which is white colored and it's really nice, like in the looks. It looks very beautiful. And on the other hand we have the beach and we can see the sea and the island, and even there are mansions which look really beautiful. So the view was amazing, but वहाँ पे मछली थी बस. So, अब हमने वापस एक स्टॉप लिया है. मैं सो गई थी इसलिए मैं गाड़ी से बाहर नहीं निकली. सब लोग टी करने गए हैं और मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आई, तो मैंने स्टॉप लेकर भी मैं गाड़ी में बैठी हुई हूँ. So, अभी जो बोल रहे हैं हम लोग कोई लेक के पास जा रहे हैं और हम लोग अभी कोई लेक के पास जा रहे हैं. कौन से लेक के पास जा रहे हैं? बलीना लेक के पास जा रहे हैं. तो बस देखते हैं. तो अब हमारा 1 hour का रास्ता बाकी है एंड वी आर हियर टू चार्ज आवर टेस्ला. हाँ, ये चाची मेरी बाल खोल रही है. यहाँ पे टिकटॉक वीडियो बन रही है गाइस विद कार्टून फिल्टर. छोटा कपड़ा का माय ऑफिशियल फेवरेट कुरकुरे. और बना चाची. ये सुनने के लिए वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. Oh my god, I want. This is the fight. Oh my god, is the
Is the take is the 20 something minute is the? I don't know is the.
Look at that awesome cornfield! The first Gurudwara of Australia.
अभी हम जहाँ पे जाके आए वो था ऑस्ट्रेलिया का फर्स्ट एवर गुरुद्वारा न्यू साउथ वेल्स में एंड इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम what all Gurudwara places I've ever seen, and the sitting area was quite different. And now we are going to another Gurudwara which is very close to the first ever Gurudwara. So we visited the museum which was just in front of the second Gurudwara. It has so many information about Sikh history and Sikhism, like the religion and stuff, and there were stories as well. This was a music instrument player which will be seen afterwards.
क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा कि तुसी अपना रिलीजन चेंज कर लो, तुसी मुस्लिम बन जाओ सिख तो और उन्होंने कहते भी असं नहीं करना, इस करके उन्होंने दादी ते उन्होंने दोनों को इदा एक पूरी ठंड के बाहर रखा तो अगले दिन दोनों को बुला के इदा जे करता दीवार च चिमटा और फिर वो बेहोश होकर डेथ हो गई सी। गरम गरम रेता ते उबलदा पानी उन्होंने ऊपर पाया, हाँ भी डाई हो जाए कि मुसलमान अपना रिलीजन चेंज कर
स्टॉप लिया है टेस्ला वो चार्ज करने के लिए, फिर से हम लोग रुके हैं एंड अभी हम लोग टेंपल जा रहे हैं। सो देखते हैं कब तक पहुंचते हैं।
जहाज वाली सड़क की पता नहीं की पी रखी है, बड़ी तेज ले जाता है।
खाने वाले नहीं है बिकॉज यहाँ पे नॉनवेज मिलता है और हम लोग अभी मंदिर जा रहे हैं, तो अपेरेंटली हम मंदिर जाके फिर खाने जाएंगे। चेंजेस ऑफ प्लान्स, हम अभी आइसक्रीम खाने वाले हैं। चाचू करने लगे आइसक्रीम ऑर्डर। as per NSW, and we have reached Hare Krishna Mandir. It's like a big community over here. The school is also over here and the temple is also over here. So let's see how it is. Okay.
पानी ऊपर आ रहे हैं, उधरों आई जाओ।
C, D, E, F, G.
travel for like 2 to 3 to 4 hours to just see the God for just 2 minutes. And because we believe in it, we do this thing. We found Ambi's. I don't do. बिकॉज हम लोग मंदिर और गुरुद्वारे हो आए. सो अब हमारा सब कुछ हो चुका है खा के. 10 स्टॉप टू पेट्रोल पम्प एंड फाइनली मैंने चेंज कर लिया. वी मे गो टू बीच. सो लेट्स सी. दीक्षा मामी की स्पेशल क्या है? खड़े रहने वास्ते. The candies from Santa. We are going to the beach and we are very excited. Hopefully.
Not confirmed.
It is confirmed. I used to work there. Somewhere over there. It is this side. Exactly. This one. The kebabs one? Who told you?
The Jeet Mamu that's sitting in the Tesla and everybody else.
So we are going to the beach.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
I hope so.
Yeah.
We're finally at Surfer Paradise. Thank God. Thank God. बीच पे है एंड सारे बच्चे नहा रहे हैं और हम बड़े हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. हमें बस ऐसे ही घूमेंगे. ठीक है. एंड वी हैव फन. Ami, how was your day today?
It was fun. Full of fun actually. Full of fun. So we enjoyed the Christmas evening. It's good.
It's good.
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Hello people.
Sunshine, blue sky.
It's such a beautiful climate. The moon is looking so pretty. Oh my God. Wanna foggy today, I don't know why, but the Mausam is amazing. The moon is amazing. I don't know why I cannot zoom because it's the front camera. And the birds, they are amazing. The climate is foggy, but it's amazing.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
The videos and relaxing on the beach. So it's dinner time, guys. Ended our day with the dinner and it was amazing. We ate butter chicken, bhuna chicken, all the Indian dishes and with naan and biryani as well. I'm thought day ki we see.
बहुत बढ़िया दिन सीगा, बहुत enjoy करिया. खुशी. Not any more खुशी.
And what about you, Palak?
It was really fun. We went to the place where we went on my birthday. It was really fun. And it's cold, so I'm feeling really cold.
And Diksha Mami, how was it?
Superb, adventurous day.
The best thing was Hare Rama Hare Krishna Mandir.
Awesome Mandir.
And from there, Labbi Mamu, how was it? He's just reacting. Okay, very good. Around the back he gave. Driver see Diksha Mami. Bye bye. Good night. Sweet dreams. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is Ramat. And have a good night. Bye bye.